This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Kia Optima. First, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is active and discoverable. On your car's display, navigate to the Setup menu. Select Bluetooth and then Add New Device. Your car will search for your phone. Once found, confirm the pairing code shown on both screens. This simple process establishes a wireless connection for calls and audio streaming, making your drive more enjoyable and hands-free. It usually takes less than 1 minute. Connecting via USB offers reliable charging and high-quality audio. Locate the USB port, often found in the center console or dashboard. Use a good quality USB cable to link your phone to this port. On your car's infotainment system, select USB as the audio source. This allows you to play music directly from your phone while simultaneously keeping it fully charged. It's a straightforward method for seamless media integration and power delivery. For a simple audio connection, the auxiliary input is a great option. Find the auxiliary jack, typically located near the USB port. Connect one end of a standard auxiliary cable to your phone's headphone jack. Then, plug the other end of the cable into the car's auxiliary port. On your car's display, simply select AUX as the audio source. This provides a direct, wired connection for playing audio from any device with a headphone jack. If you encounter any connection issues, a few troubleshooting steps can help. First, ensure both your phone's operating system and your car's firmware are up to date. Try deleting old Bluetooth connections from both your phone and the car's system. A quick restart of both devices often resolves minor glitches. For specific details or persistent problems, always consult your Kia Optima's owner's manual for comprehensive guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.